Hello everyone, in this video we will learn 3 smart tricks that will make your work faster and easier. So let's start. First smart trick, flash fill data automatically. If you have a names and want to create the email address quickly, then you can use here the flash fill. So first select the cell and just enter manually email address. So just enter here the email address john.smith, okay, at the rate gmail.com, okay, and select the first cell with the below cell and just press the control E, and that's it. Here you can see your flash fill is applied. Data fill automatically. Second smart trick, quick chart from selected data. So select your data. So I select here product and quantity column and just press the Alt F1, and that's it. Here you can see you can insert the chart instantly. It's the easy. Okay, with the chart design tab, with the format tab. You can change the chart style. You can use the other design option also to change your chart design. Okay, that's it. Third smart trick, remove duplicates, clean data fastly. Got the duplicate entries in your list? Select the column, go to the data tab, and click on the remove duplicate option. In data tools group, have a remove duplicates option. You can see this is a remove duplicates option. Just click on it, and here you can see the one dialog box is open, remove duplicates. Here the selected option is select all, and name is a column. Okay, click on OK. And in a second, Excel cleanup your list, 7 duplicates values found and remove. Click on OK, and that's it. Here you see only unique data is showing. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.